Welcome to the rear entrance of Commons West. We're here today to see one of the 4 unique ground floor apartments on the back side of the building. We're going to see apartment 103, a studio with a private street level entrance. Let's head on in. As you enter, on your right is the first of your 2 closets. This one comes with its own closet light. Beside the closet is your kitchen. Fully loaded kitchen with a refrigerator, a microwave, a dishwasher, and an electric oven and range. In the living area, you have 5 pieces of furniture: a bookshelf, a full-size bed, a dresser, and a desk and chair. Every apartment has a heating element and an air conditioner. The second closet is in the back wall. Lots of good storage space here. We'll finish with the bathroom. A nice large modern bathroom with a shower stall and a vanity with medicine cabinet. Rent for Commons West Apartments includes heat, water, and trash and recycling fees. Electricity is the tenant's responsibility, and high-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Commons West 103. Call us today for availability.